Flatpak, one of the most important technologies in the modern Linux ecosystem, has officially reached version 1.18, bringing a new wave of improvements to application sandboxing, software distribution, performance, security, and developer experience. For Linux users, developers, and distribution maintainers, this release represents another significant step forward in the effort to make Linux applications easier to distribute, safer to run, and more consistent across different operating systems and desktop environments. Today, we're taking a deep look at what Flatpak 1.18 introduces, why these changes matter, and how they could impact the future of Linux software delivery. To understand the importance of this release, it's worth remembering what Flatpak actually does. Linux has always offered incredible flexibility, but one of its long-standing challenges has been software distribution. Different Linux distributions often use different package formats, libraries, and release schedules. An application that works perfectly on one distribution might require additional dependencies or even fail to run on another. Flatpak was created to solve this problem by providing a universal application packaging system that works across virtually all Linux distributions. With Flatpak, developers can package their applications together with the required runtime environment, ensuring users receive a consistent experience regardless of whether they're running Ubuntu, Fedora, Linux Mint, Debian, Arch Linux, OpenSUSE, or another distribution. At the same time, Flatpak applications run inside sandboxes, limiting their access to system resources and improving overall security. The release of Flatpak 1.18 continues this mission with a range of enhancements aimed at making the platform more reliable, secure, and efficient. One of the key focuses of this version is improving the portal system. Portals act as secure intermediaries between sandboxed applications and the host operating system. Instead of giving an application unrestricted access to files, devices, or system services, portals allow users to grant access only when needed. In Flatpak 1.18, portal-related improvements help applications interact more smoothly with the desktop environment while maintaining strong security boundaries. This is especially important as Linux desktop applications continue to adopt sandboxing by default. Better portal integration means users experience fewer compatibility issues and developers can rely on a more predictable platform for application permissions. Another important area of improvement is performance and efficiency. Software distribution systems must handle downloads, updates, metadata, and application deployment in a way that minimizes resource usage while maintaining reliability. Flatpak 1.18 introduces optimizations that improve various aspects of application management, helping reduce overhead and making updates more efficient. While individual users may not always notice these changes immediately, they contribute to a smoother overall experience, especially on systems managing large numbers of Flatpak applications. Security remains a central pillar of Flatpak's development, and version 1.18 continues to strengthen the framework's sandboxing capabilities. In an era where software security is becoming increasingly critical, application isolation is one of the most effective ways to reduce risks. By keeping applications separated from sensitive system components unless explicitly authorized, Flatpak helps limit the potential impact of vulnerabilities or malicious behavior. The development team has worked on refining existing security mechanisms and improving the overall robustness of the platform. These improvements help ensure that Flatpak remains one of the most secure software distribution methods available for Linux desktops. As more users install applications from centralized repositories, such as Flathub, maintaining strong security guarantees becomes even more important. Developer experience is another area receiving attention in Flatpak 1.18. Modern software development requires tools that simplify packaging, testing, and deployment. Developers want to focus on building great applications rather than spending countless hours solving compatibility issues across multiple Linux distributions. Flatpak addresses this challenge by providing a consistent packaging framework. The new release introduces enhancements that make life easier for application maintainers and distribution packagers. Better tooling, improved diagnostics, and various workflow refinements help streamline development processes. These changes may not always be visible to end users, but they play a crucial role in expanding the software ecosystem. When developers find it easier to distribute applications through Flatpak, users ultimately benefit from a larger selection of software and faster updates. Compatibility improvements also play a significant role in this release. Linux desktop environments continue to evolve rapidly, with projects such as GNOME, KDE Plasma, Cinnamon, XFCE, and others introducing new features and technologies. Flatpak must remain compatible with this evolving ecosystem while supporting both new and older systems. Version 1.18 includes updates that improve interoperability across different environments and system configurations. These changes help ensure applications behave consistently regardless of the underlying Linux distribution or desktop environment. For users, this translates into fewer surprises and a more reliable software experience. One of the reasons Flatpak has become so popular is its close integration with Flathub, the largest Flatpak application repository. Flathub has grown into a central hub for Linux software distribution, offering thousands of applications ranging from productivity tools and development environments to multimedia software and games. The success of Flathub is closely tied to the ongoing development of Flatpak itself. With each new Flatpak release, the infrastructure supporting application delivery becomes more capable and scalable. Flatpak 1.18 contributes to this ongoing growth by refining the technologies that make repositories like Flathub possible. As adoption continues to increase, these improvements help maintain performance, reliability, and security for millions of users around the world. Another noteworthy aspect of Flatpak 1.18 is its attention to long-term maintainability. Software infrastructure projects must balance innovation with stability. Introducing new features is important, but ensuring that existing applications continue to function correctly is equally critical. The Flatpak development team has consistently prioritized backward compatibility and smooth upgrades, and this release continues that tradition. Users upgrading from previous versions can expect a seamless transition without major disruptions. This stability is one of the reasons many Linux distributions trust Flatpak as a core component of their software ecosystems. Reliable upgrades reduce administrative burden and encourage broader adoption among both individual users and organizations. The release also reflects broader trends within the Linux desktop world. Over the past several years, universal application packaging has become increasingly important. Traditional package managers remain essential, but formats such as Flatpak have gained popularity because they solve many long-standing distribution challenges. Developers can target a single platform while reaching users across multiple distributions. Users gain access to newer software versions without waiting for distribution repositories to catch up. Flatpak 1.18 demonstrates that the project continues to evolve and adapt to the changing needs of the Linux community. Rather than remaining static, the framework is actively improving in response to feedback from developers, users, and distribution maintainers. This ongoing development helps ensure that Flatpak remains relevant as Linux itself continues to grow. For enterprise users, the improvements in Flatpak 1.18 may also be significant. Organizations increasingly value application isolation, predictable deployment methods, and simplified software management. Flatpak's sandboxing model aligns well with modern security practices, while its cross-distribution compatibility reduces complexity in mixed environments. Incremental improvements in stability, security, and manageability make the platform even more attractive for professional use cases. Educational institutions, research organizations, and businesses often face challenges when deploying software across diverse hardware and operating system configurations. Flatpak's universal approach can simplify these deployments, and enhancements in version 1.18 further strengthen its suitability for such environments. The release also highlights the collaborative nature of open-source development. Flatpak is supported by contributors from across the Linux ecosystem, including developers, maintainers, testers, and community members. Every release represents countless hours of work dedicated to improving the experience for everyone who uses Linux. Community feedback plays a crucial role in shaping Flatpak's direction. Issues reported by users, feature requests from developers, and suggestions from distribution maintainers all contribute to the project's evolution. Flatpak 1.18 reflects this collaborative effort, incorporating numerous refinements designed to address real-world needs. Looking ahead, the future of Flatpak appears increasingly promising. Linux desktop adoption continues to grow. Gaming on Linux is reaching new heights, and more software vendors are embracing cross-distribution packaging solutions. As these trends continue, the demand for reliable application distribution frameworks will only increase. Flatpak's combination of sandboxing, portability, security, and developer convenience positions it as one of the leading solutions in this space. Releases like version 1.18 may not always introduce dramatic headline-grabbing features, but they provide the steady progress necessary for long-term success. Incremental improvements in performance, security, compatibility, and usability accumulate over time, creating a stronger platform for everyone. For Linux users, the benefits are straightforward. Applications become easier to install, updates arrive faster, compatibility improves, and security remains a priority. For developers, packaging and distributing software becomes more predictable and efficient. For distributions, Flatpak reduces duplication of effort while expanding software availability. Flatpak 1.18 represents another important milestone in the ongoing effort to modernize Linux application delivery. By refining sandboxing technologies, enhancing portal integration, improving performance, strengthening security, and simplifying development workflows, this release continues to build upon the project's already strong foundation. As Linux moves further into the mainstream and the demand for universal software distribution grows, technologies like Flatpak will play an increasingly central role. Version 1.18 demonstrates that the project is not only keeping pace with these changes, but actively helping shape the future of the Linux desktop. Whether you're a casual Linux user installing applications from Flathub, a developer distributing software to thousands of users, or an administrator managing systems at scale, Flatpak 1.18 delivers meaningful improvements that reinforce its position as one of the most important components of the modern Linux ecosystem.